Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Sync. So in this section we are diving into sales and revenue analysis. Specifically, we will identify the busiest hours of the day based on total sales. This will help you understand when your shop makes the most money. Okay, so first look at our two output columns. The first one is the busiest hour and the second is total sales. Our goal is to see which hour has the most total sales. Well, we are going to use two tables, menu items and orders, to identify busiest hours based on total sales. Let's understand the menu item table. This table contains item price and item ID. So we are going to use item price for total sales and item ID to join orders table with menu items table. Okay, so now let's understand the orders table. This table contains a quantity. We'll use quantity with item price to identify total sales and created data. From this created data column, we will extract hours to identify busiest hours. Also, this table contains order ID, so we can join both tables using this order ID. Okay, so let's start writing the query. First, we will select busiest hours, and for that we will extract hours from created at column using extract function. So extract this function extract a specific time period from date column. So we'll extract hours and then from now created date column. This is a date column, so also it's in a text form, right? So we'll convert it to timestamp using typecasting, right? Orders dot created data and now typecast it to timestamp. You can also use cast function. Okay, we are labeling it as a busiest hours. Next we'll calculate how much money each order bought in by multiplying a quantity by item price. Then we use sum function to add up all these orders amount. It will give us total sales for each hour. Okay, so sum orders dot quantity multiply by menu items dot item price. This will, and we will label it as total sales. This will give us total sales, right? From orders table alias O. Okay, so now we'll join our orders table with menu items so we can get the item price for every order. We'll use item ID to connect both tables. Okay, join menu item on orders.item ID should be equal to menu items.item ID. This clause makes sure that we match each order to the correct menu item. After that, we will group the data by the busiest hours column. This means we will collect all orders that happen in the same hour and calculate one total sales number for each hour. Group by busiest hours. Also, if you are using aggregate function, then you have to use a group by clause. Finally, we will sort the results by total sales in descending order. The hour with the highest sales appears at the top, which will be our busiest hour. Order by total sales in descending. Let's run the query to see the output. Okay, so there is a syntax error. We forget about from keyword from orders. Again, now this is the output. Okay, so 12 p.m. is the most busiest hour. In the second, 7 a.m. and the third one is 13. 13 means 1 p.m. and so on. These videos take too much efforts. So if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it and hit the like button.